What's up, Tater Tots? It's your girl Tati, back at it with another one. If you're a loyal subscriber, then you already know this is our makeup hoodie, so you know we about to get into a makeup tutorial. So let's get right into it, but before we get into it, you know you gotta like, comment, and subscribe. Now, let's get right into it. I uploaded this video to my Instagram, and baby, you all loved that video. When I tell y'all were going crazy, I really loved it, so I thought I should film the tutorial on it. That look was actually inspired by Megan Thee Stallion. She dropped her Sugar EP on the 6th, and baby, I was bumping that. It is really good. And then I saw the B.I.T.C.H video, and I was like, oh baby, I got to get into that. So actually, let's get into this makeup, because y'all know he be doing chit chat sometimes. When you talking, you get distracted, and Megan's eyebrows are always popping. So I'm going in with my Easy Breezy Brow Shape and Define in the shade Rich Brown. I should know this shade by now. I literally use this for my brows all the time. I saw that video, and I've always loved Megan's makeup, so I've done like a tutorial inspired by Megan before. I just never posted it because I felt like the video was too long, but I'm gonna post it today. I'm gonna try it again, and hopefully, you know, this video isn't too long. But it is gonna be cute because that makeup look was cute. Okay. Boom. Brows are not done, but they're kind of done. I'm using my Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer and the shade Cool Toffee. And then I'm gonna use my concealer brush for this. This is just a Morphe flat, actually round concealer brush, a small one. And I'm gonna carve out these brows because baby. Boom. And can you tell, like, I didn't use a pomade or anything. I literally just used a brow mascara. That's crazy. But now we're going to fill in our eyelids, prime our eyelids with this shade. Using the rest of what's on the back of my hand to... I'm going to buff that out with an E145 brush. And I'm going to set that using my Sephora microsmooth in the shade Ebony, and I'm using my ALA Studios F32 brush. Now it's time for eyeshadow, so I'm gonna zoom you all in. Y'all know I'm using my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. This is the Phoenix one, and I'm going in with this because this just gave me Megan vibes. I'm taking my B.I.T.C.H Cosmetics brush that came in the Smoky palette. I'm going with this shade right here. So my hair is blonde, and when I saw the video, I saw that Tina Snow hair was that blonde shortcut. And I was like, ooh, yes, I love it. And Tina Snow is one of my favorite mixtapes from Megan Thee Stallion. So I was like, ooh, yes, ma'am. So this makeup is inspired by Tina Snow's makeup in the B.I.T.C.H video. I'd rather be a B.I.T.C.H. What? Because that's what you gonna call me when I'm dripping anyways. I feel like Megan definitely blows out her transition shades, especially when I saw her tutorial. So now when you do the outer corner, I'm going to show you on this side because it's easier. You want to kind of go like this in this shape as if you're doing a wing, because you are going to be doing a wing liner and the makeup is kind of going to be winged. So you want to blend like this. And do the same thing on this side, kind of blend it out as if you're going to do wing liner. Next, I'm taking this B.I.T.C Cosmetics brush, and I'm going in with this purple shade right here. And I'm going to put that, when you put this shade, you don't want to put it too high up. You want to stay like right in your crease. You don't want to blow this shade out too much. Unless it's like for this outer portion, just because Megan's eye, I feel like her deeper shades are very concentrated in her crease. And a lot of this might be a little quiet. It might, when you see it, it might seem like, oh, I'm going really fast or it's cut out. But you have to remember that as a YouTuber, and to keep videos to not be that long, I like my tutorials to be around 10, maybe 15 minutes. And that's a good time because usually people check out like after around that time. We tend to cut out a lot, fast forward a lot, but I'm taking a lot of time to blend this color in and to make sure I don't go into my habit of making it go too high. Now I'm going in with the black shade in the palette, and I'm using the smaller pointed brush, blending brush from B.I.T.C.H Cosmetics Smoky Palette. And I'm going to start blending in my crease. Now I want to put this mainly in my crease. And you can go a little bit above so that you can see it when my eyes are open. Like when I look forward, I want you to be able to see it. But I don't want it to be up higher than that. I want it to stay like right here. I'm going to continue using that black color. I'm going to take this B.I.T.C Cosmetics 103 brush. It's like a flat shader brush. And I'm going to start creating a wing. The black is definitely one of the main shows of the main thing you want to see in this look, just because it was very prominent in Tina Snow's makeup look in the video. And then I'm going to go in with this brush that we use for the transition shade. I'm going to blend this out just a little bit because I want the black to be there, but I want the black to also be blended into everything else seamlessly. Now I'm going to go into this shade using my E131 brush, and I'm going to kind of cut my crease, but since it's empty, I'm just going to fill in that space. So now I'm going to go in with these glitters. I bought these glitters from Amazon. I'm going to go in with the white first, and then I'm going to go in with this silver. And I'm going to use the same brush I've been using. I'm going to use my E131 brush to put that on. And I'm going to make sure I use my NYX glitter glue first. Your NYX glitter glue is really good, baby. Use that and make sure whatever brush you use, you apply. Like I'm applying with this, and I'm gonna apply my glitter with this. It makes less fallout. I'm using my Kiss Protouch Mattifying Primer, and I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in F15. I'm using the ALA Studio F6 brush to do this, to blend this out. Now I'm going in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer in the color Cool Toffee. Same thing we use to prime our lids, and I'm going to put that in my hot points. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer and Rich Chocolate. I'm taking my Sephora microsmooth and my F32 brush, and I'm going to set my highlighted areas. I'm taking my Real Techniques multi-task brush, and I'm going to go in with Leena, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks. And I'm trying to put it kind of on the apples of my cheeks to make my cheeks look a little bit bigger, but we'll see. I'm going in with my sculpted shade in my AOA Studios F28 brush to contour my cheeks. And I'm going to try to do it like this because Meg has big cheeks and I have a different face. So I'm trying to make my face as round as possible. Now I'm going to spray my face with my setting spray, and then I'm going to start working on my under eyes. I'm going in with the Wet n Wild kohl eyeliner. This is just a black one, and I'm going to do my under eye, and then we're going to repeat the same steps we did on our top eye under here to bring the look together. And now I'm about to do my lips after I've done my face. I'm about to go in with my kohl, Wet n Wild kohl liner and Simmer Brown now. And then I'm going to add my Sparkling Stone from True Matte Lipstick from Broadway on top of that. And then I'm going to add my AS Cosmetics Daddy lip gloss on top. And we gonna get into it. I'm about to put on my lashes, and then I'll be right back. I'm back. The lashes are on. The lips are done. Do-rag and stuff is changed. And this is the look inspired by the Megan Thee Stallion, Tina Snow herself in the B.I.T.C.H video. If you like this look, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you share this video so that we can get more people into this potato family. Comment down below your favorite song from Sugar. I like almost all the songs, but you know, let me hear one of y'all's. And last but not least, you know what you gotta do, right? What you gotta do? You gotta subscribe to my channel so you could grow with your girl. So you can grow with your girl. So you can grow with your girl. Break it down. Break it down.